Se sonrisa abrió. Hey guys, it is Thursday and we're heading to Volcano Bay. I think we're all pretty tired. We're getting pretty tired now. We have one more day and then we get to go back home. I think she's the only one that doesn't want to go back home.
I want to go back.
Barely. We're going to Volcano Bay today, as I said yesterday. It's supposed to start raining at 1 or 12, but let's hope that changes. Even the percentage, because the percentage yesterday was 40. Oh, it changed. It was at 60%. Now it's at 30% again. So yeah, but we're going there, and then it's my first time. Well, I have been there, but I've never gone inside the water or any rides or anything, and it's his very first time, and I'm pretty excited. So pretty much most of this vlog is gonna be like a montage, because y'all know I'm gonna be with the GoPro and the GoPro sound sucks, and so I don't know, I'm just gonna be recording whatever I get on the GoPro and little bits and parts before we get in the water with this camera. So yeah. I shall talk to y'all after we leave the park, maybe. I don't know. Oh guys, look at the 3-story McDonald's that we went to 2 years ago. 1, 2, yeah, 3. Guys, for those who don't know, these buses take us to the park, because the park is so far away. And yeah, we gotta go through all that. We made it. So guys, we got our Tapu watches. Here, let me focus on yours, because I can't focus it in record at the same time. We got our watches. Those are for the virtual line. You scan it on a ride, and then it pretty much puts you in line. So then it vibrates for whenever your time is up, and then you just go. Hello. Dirties. It's so pretty. Where's everyone at? ¿Está bien solo ya? We're like super early. I don't know if y'all remember last time. It was so late and it was full. So we're here.
mi nietecita con el agua. Y a ver, mi. Y yo también, pues yo tengo que grabar.
Diga hola, pa. It's just us. Me and my dad came to the lazy river while they went into the big old slide. Yo pensaba que este era el feo, este no es. Hey guys, we're trying to figure out what to eat. My GoPro memory card, ya se le acabó la memory.
The feasting frog has tacos. Feasting frog, guys.
I don't want tacos.
The frog that feasts on tacos all the time. Is it a Mexican frog maybe?
No, I don't think
No?
so. I don't think it's a Mexican frog.
Just a frog in general that likes tacos.
Yeah. Everyone trying to catch up on social media. Ay! Holy crap.
Look at the bodyguards. Look at the. They're all like,
That is to say that the waves are coming.
I never look at it. They're chanting to the little volcano god.
We're walking to the restaurant. I don't know what it's called. Se llama Bamboo, el restaurant. Alright guys, we got our food. We got a milkshake, but it's really ice cream. It's the one I got on Universal and it's bomb. We got one too, and then the burger. Esta es mía, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
This looks so good. Guys, we're done eating. Everyone's full and fast.
Now to get in the water. Throw it all off.
Yeah. Yeah, at least we rested for a while.
They close the pool.
And a bit. Hey guys, so we're back in the hotel room. As y'all can see, we got rained out like crazy. Like we were trying to stay there and see if we could, like, you know, wait it out, but it just started getting really bad. The wind was crazy, and then they got us out of the pool. But look at it now. Look at that. It's like if nothing happened. So like I said, we just got here and we're gonna go downstairs to the jacuzzi and to the pool and just, you know, be there for a while, and then come upstairs and get ready and probably go eat some dinner. And my sister wants to go to a store so we can get some souvenirs, and then probably we're gonna go to Rising Star, back to City Walk and go to Rising Star. If y'all don't know what Rising Star is, stay tuned and find out if we even go, but stay tuned. Other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Guys, we're done. We're ready. Look at my sister's fit. Oh. I'm wearing black jeans with the flowery top and sandals. Mom's wearing a skirt. Shoes?
The mall.
Leggings?
Ruth's room.
Top.
Ruth's room. It's a thrift shop.
It's a thrift shop. I got these pants at Walmart. You can never go wrong with Walmart clothes. Oh, and I got the shirt at Walmart too. Madame agarró su camisa de la Ruth.
No.
De la Ruth.
De Burlington.
Burlington. ¿Y su falda?
También.
Oh.
De Burlington.
Nosotros Walmart y Ruth.
Yo soy toda Ruth's.
We're going to City Walk. Cause we gonna
City walk.
We're going to City Walk because that's where we're gonna go walk and eat.
Do I look weird?
No.
Camina.
And
A comer.
I'm burnt, guys. I don't know if I showed y'all my tan, but there y'all go. Look at how sunburned. Oh, it hurts. Make sure to do that. But that's how
Did you bring Brian's phone?
sunburned I am, yeah. Guys, we're trying to figure out what to buy. Look at these. What are you getting?
My cup. And
Guys,
this other cup.
He's a Slytherin apparently.
Yeah.
What a shrewd. Show them what you got. This is what Brian ended up getting. We didn't get the Potter head.
Nah, I'll get it later. House cup.
Yeah. He's a major pothead.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we're gonna eat, guys. Guys, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but this is Brian's food. Wait. We got a chimichanga. That's what it is. Go ahead. Guys, so there's this place, right, that I told you about. It's called Rising Star.